This is the GM26 fast cooling mobile phone cooler. If you are a mobile phone gamer, then this product is for you. Let's unbox and set up. This is a Type-C USB cable. This is the mobile cooler. This is the power button. With this you can turn the cooler on and off. You can also change the cooling speed with this button. Now plug the USB cable into the cooler and it will turn on automatically. You can also change the cooling speed with the power button. Now you can play games without worrying about the phone getting hot. You can play games for hours with this, but your phone will never get hot. If you use this, your phone's temperature will remain normal even after playing games for hours.